When I ask economists what are the big numbers we should watch out for, they invariably say fiscal deficit. Why are economists and investors so keen on the fiscal deficit coming down to 5.8% of GDP or even lower? Well, they explain that this is because a higher deficit over the years has meant that a large chunk of the government's money is going to pay interest on past debt. Before COVID, the government had succeeded in bringing interest as a percentage of total expenditure down to below 20% from 25% in 2015. But the post-COVID rise in fiscal deficit has pulled interest payments back over 23% of total expenditure. It's important to bring deficit and interest outgo lower so that we have more money for development and for capital expenditure. Another achievement of the past 2 years has been the slow but steady rise in tax to GDP from less than 10% in 2015-16 to 11.5% last year. However, it is likely that this year, FY23, tax to GDP has fallen to 11.2% because of lower corporate profits. Indeed, tax to GDP may slip a little more in FY24 to maybe 11% if, as analysts expect, the tax revenue grows by only 10% in FY24. And what's important, even the high 11.5% tax to GDP which was achieved in FY22 is less than the 12% tax to GDP that was achieved way back in 2007-8. Well, as a country, we rank among the lowest in terms of tax to GDP. That's something we have to improve. The other big number to watch is, of course, capital expenditure. A steady rise in capex is one of the achievements of this government. Economists are expecting the capex to increase by at least 15% in FY24 over FY23. That will take the capex as a percentage of GDP to a record 2.9%. Hopefully, we achieve even 3% in FY24. This higher government capital expenditure is needed because private capex is still tentative and exports are falling due to the global slowdown. Government capex is actually the prime, if not the lone stimulus for growth today.
1st of February, all eyes will be here. What Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman says on taxes, subsidies, growth, education, health, crypto, global factors and domestic recovery, every word will be crucial, every word will be analysed. But don't worry, Moneycontrol got your back. Our team will be interpreting every aspect of Budget 2023 and how it impacts your life. What's becoming more affordable? What's becoming more expensive? What are the stock recommendations and expert views? Real-time, minute-by-minute coverage. Hop onto Moneycontrol to have it all. Moneycontrol, the only digital channel to non-stop live stream budget coverage for over 12 hours. Join our experts, analysts and editors from 7:30 a.m. onwards on the 1st of February. Think budget, think Moneycontrol.